Hello, in this video, we are going to learn text editing in CapCut PC. Let's get started without wasting any more time. If you already know the basics, feel free to skip ahead to learn viral text editing styles like Ali Abdaal and Alex Hormozi. For now, let's dive into the basics. Step 1. Basics of text editing in CapCut. First, bring any background into CapCut. Now, add your text. You can change the font here, including both system and commercial fonts. Adjust the font size here and make it bold, underlined, or italic here. You can also change the case, all caps, all lowercase, you name it. Text color done. Increase the character spacing here and the line spacing here. Want to align your text? You can make it centered, right, or left aligned. There are also preset styles for your text that you can easily apply. You can easily adjust the size of your text by moving the scale cursor. You can change the position of your text by adjusting the X and Y coordinates, or, if you prefer, by simply dragging the cursor around the screen. The alignment tools let you position your text within the frame exactly where you want it. You can easily increase or decrease the opacity of your text using the opacity tool, giving you control over how bold or subtle your text appears. Plus, you can add a stroke using the stroke tool and even customize the stroke's color and thickness to match your design perfectly. Want to add some flair? Use the background tool to add a background to your text. You can adjust the opacity as well as the height and width of the background. You can even change its color and position to make it pop just the way you want. Feeling creative? Add a glow to your text. You can control the intensity and even the direction of the glow to give your text a magical luminous effect. Now let's talk about shadows. You can add shadows to your text to create depth and dimension. You can adjust the blurriness to soften or sharpen the shadow and change the direction to perfectly complement your design. Oh, and here's something fun. You can even make your text curve. Go ahead and play around with it to give your design a dynamic twist. Step 3. Pre-built animations in CapCut. CapCut offers multiple animation options, like in-out and loop animations. They have glow effects, blurry animations, moving text typer animations, counting animations, and more. Let's try a counting animation. Add a text layer, apply the animation, and you're done. There are distortion animations too, and all the animations you apply can also animate text out of your scene. Let's dive into loop animations. There are a bunch of exciting options to explore. You can easily increase or decrease the speed of the loop by simply dragging the cursor up or down. Want to make your text loop like Ali Abdaal in just 1 second? You can do that too. This section has so much more to offer. Endless possibilities to bring your text to life with smooth, captivating loops. Get creative and have fun experimenting with it. Step 4. Text tracking with objects. Let's try something cool. Text tracking. Download a car video from CapCut's stock library. Use the tracking tool, select the car, and hit start. Boom. CapCut will perfectly track the car while keeping your text in place. Let's explore viral editing styles in CapCut. First up, we're going to place text behind a subject. I'll grab a clip from stock footage. Now, let's make a duplicate of the clip and apply auto cutout. Next, we'll add some text. Adjust the font and size to your liking. Then, drag this text layer between the two video layers. The text is now placed behind the subject. For the second style, we're diving into the popular Alex Hormozi text editing technique. To achieve the Alex Hormozi style, start by auto-captioning your video. Once the captions are generated, go through them carefully. Separate the captions based on how you want the message to hit. Focus on key phrases or individual words for maximum impact. Now, let's zoom in to get a closer look at the combination of his signature text style. You'll notice bold, clear fonts with vibrant colors, and you'll see a combination of orange and red text with white accents and a pinkish shadow behind it. Here's how to recreate it. 1. Choose a font and change its color to orange. 2. Add a white stroke and reduce its thickness to 10. Now to really make the text pop, let's add a pink or red shadow. Now let's make the important words white. This is a crucial part of the Alex Hormozi style, using color contrast to draw attention to specific words. duplicate the text layer, change the orange text to red and the white text to gray. 5. Create a compound clip, duplicate it and mask both layers from the corner of the text. I have already uploaded a video on masking, the link is in the description. Set the feather size to 1 or 2, you're done.
I think people struggle a lot with the concept that something both painful and empowering.
Next up, let's try the Ali Abdaal style captions. First, let's analyze this. We can see each letter in the word has a different layer, and each word has 2 separate layers, one in apple green and the other in a mix of purple and pink. I exactly don't know what color that is. Let's get started. First of all, add a text box, go to Google and type square in text form. Copy it. Now come back to CapCut and paste it here. Increase its size, match the color. Type the text and change its color to black. Apply a twist loop effect to both text layers and add an animation out. Adjust the background size and scale. Then create a compound clip. We're almost done. Now make a preset of it. Here's where the magic begins. For the rest of the caption animation, all we need to do is go to presets and drag this preset onto the timeline and change the letters of the word. Now go to Media and Presets, choose this one and bring it onto the layer. But remember, don't copy and paste the compound clip as it will make changes to the original clip. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it happens. Now, do this for all the letters. And once we're done with the word, make a preset of it again. Drag it onto the timeline, double-click to open the preset, and change its letters one by one for each word. If you want to create both layers, the apple green one and the other, you'll need to repeat this process for all of them until you're finished. Now let's create a paper unfold animation. To do that, add a square box text and input the letter. Now change the color of the box and write the letter. Add a green screen. Go to Transitions and select Paper Fold. Apply this transition between the green screen and the letter layer. Next, make a compound clip of it and remove the green screen. Now create a preset of it. Go to the presets, drag it here, and continue editing each letter by dragging the preset onto the timeline. I know I've done it really fast. If you want to see the full tutorial on Ali Abdaal or any other style in CapCut, let me know in the comments section. I would be happy if my viewers resonate with my content. Thank you so much for sticking with me today. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe.